Hey everyone! Today we're checking out 10 new apps going viral in 2025 and why everyone is installing them. Let's dive in. First up, app name 1. It's taking the world by storm with its smart AI features that save you hours every day. Next, app name 2. This social platform is exploding because it makes connecting with friends effortless and fun. App name 3 helps you manage tasks like a pro, boosting productivity like never before. App name 4 is a must-have for fitness lovers, offering personalized workouts in just minutes. App name 5 lets you create stunning videos instantly, perfect for content creators and beginners alike. App name 6 is going viral for its AI-powered photo editing that anyone can master. App name 7 makes shopping smarter, giving personalized deals and price alerts that everyone loves. App name 8 connects gamers worldwide, letting you join communities and compete easily. App name 9 is a new learning app that makes mastering skills fast and fun. Finally, app name 10 keeps you organized, integrating calendars, notes, and reminders seamlessly. And that's our list of 10 new apps going viral in 2025. Don't forget to check the link below for the full list and details. Install, explore, and stay ahead of the trend.